with Avery, my brother. Ooh, he said, thank you, brother. No, yeah, put some ketchup on it. Oh, thank you, brother. I like a lot of ketchup. Oh, be careful, okay? Nom, nom, nom. Thank you. Now I want watermelon, please. Can I please have some watermelon? Thank you, brother. I want watermelon. Watermelon. Oh, thank you, brother. Nom, nom, nom. Thank you. Can I have corn? Corn? Yeah, some corn. Corn, brother. I want some corn. Corn. Where are you, corn? Where are you? Look, Angela. It's over there. It's over there. Corn. Do you see it? Yeah, you found it. Yay. Avery. Yay. Ooh, nom, nom, nom. Thank you, brother. Can I have some ice cream? Oh, thank you. Okay, that's good enough. Thank you, brother. Can I have an egg? Egg. Can I have an egg? Oh, yes. Be gentle with me. Yum, yum, thank you. Can I have some chips? Oh, wow. Chips. Some chips. Papa. Chips. There you go. Papa's chips. Papas in Espanol and chips in English. Look, Avery's having fun. Oh, thank you. Can I have a strawberry? Strawberry. Thank you. Can I hold it? Thank you. Put it in the basket, please. Thank you. Can you give me a donut? Oh, careful. Can I have grapes? Where's the grapes? Oh, yeah. Yeah, a pie. Oh. Now a cookie. Cookie. Yeah, look for a cookie. Yeah, cookie. Yeah. Now I want an orange. Orange. No, that's a lemon. Lemon. Ooh, lemon. Now an orange. 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 Yeah, right there. Yeah. You found it. You found the orange. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, now chocolate. Yes. Ooh, now I want a chicken leg. Do you see the chicken leg? You found it, huh? No, that's potato. A potato. Okay, put it in the basket. Now we want more watermelon. More watermelon. Where's the watermelon? Go get it. Watermelon, 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 watermelon. Yes. Yes. Oh, that's not watermelon. That's a mandarin. We need banana. Yeah, now I want banana. 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 Ooh, thank you. Now I want a donut. Yeah, donut. Watermelon. Show them the watermelon. Now we want something to drink. Do you have something to drink? We want something to drink. Oh yes. Ooh, is it good?
Yeah.
Okay. Again. Now it's time to clean up.
Yay!
Put everything in the green basket. Yeah, put it in the green basket. Yes, good job. Right there. There you go. Put it in the green basket now. Más. Look, and the red sausage right behind you. Right behind you. There's a red sausage. Right there. No, don't take it out. No, put it back on. Right there. Yeah, on the floor. Okay, come here. Say all done. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, toys.